In this video, we'll show you how to use the Mold Box feature. After visiting CreateMold.com, click the Open Studio button in the top right corner. Then select Mold Box from the menu. When the Mold Box tool opens, a circular mold is displayed by default. To change the shape, go to the Settings panel in the top right corner and click Mold Shape. Here, you can choose from several mold shapes including circle, oval, square, and rectangle. You can continue with any shape you prefer. For this tutorial, I'll select the square mold. After selecting the square mold, open the Mold Settings section. Here, you can customize the different properties of your mold box. For example, you can adjust the mold width, mold height, wall thickness, base width, the opening and closing panels, and the width of the areas where the clips will be attached. You can change each of these settings according to the requirements of your project. If you want to create a mold box with a 3D model inside it instead of an empty mold, click the 3D model section. Then select the 3D model you prepared earlier and import it into the workspace. As you can see, the 3D model has now been imported. Let's open the panel and take a closer look. Since the imported 3D design is integrated directly into the base, you can easily use the finished mold box for silicone mold casting. Once all the settings are complete, click the Prepare STL package button to prepare and download your design. After the package is ready, click Download All STL to download all the STL files to your computer. Next, open your preferred 3D printing slicer software and import the files you just downloaded. Let's take a look. First, we have the base section, then we have the left and right wall panels. Your Mold Box STL files are now ready, and you can send the prepared design to your 3D printer. And that's how easy it is to create a custom Mold Box STL package with CreateMold.com. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to visit CreateMold.com.